this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer photos from a MacBook to an iPhone using a cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As long as you have a cable, you can transfer any type of file from a MacBook to an iPhone, including photos, and the process couldn't be simpler. So, in order to do this, plug one end of the cable into the iPhone and the other one into your MacBook. Now, once you open up Finder, you should immediately see the iPhone at the left side of the screen under Locations, so highlight it from here. And upon doing this, you can see all of the information about the iPhone and the option to manage all of these categories here, including photos. So the main way to transfer photos between both devices and synchronize them is to take this option here, sync photos to your device from, and then you can choose a specific folder, a specific location, and so on. You can choose which photos from your computer are copied to your iPhone. Photos from your iPhone's camera roll can be imported separately into Photos or Image Capture. So I'm going to be talking about that later. But if you want to transfer from the MacBook into the iPhone, all that you have to do is go over here to Photos, take the option to synchronize either all folders or selected folders only, include videos or not, and then highlight the photos here once you have the location properly selected. Afterwards, choose Apply, and everything will be sent over with ease from the MacBook to the iPhone, no problem. Like I said before, you can also go into the Photos app, and this will give you the option to import from the iPhone into the MacBook. So you will see your iPhone at the left side of Finder or either the Photos app, and then you can go into the Import option. By importing them, you will receive the photos from the iPhone's storage into the MacBook, and you can always find it available alongside any external drives under Locations inside of Finder. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.